Here is a BitNest review. BitNest is a way that you can create a new Web 3.0 economy financial system. You can go ahead and create a team, community. You can also earn daily and do partnership. As you can see on the partnership, it has different circles. You can also go ahead and see your progress when it comes to Bitcoin or how many coins that you have already gained. So there is a BitNest Loopsy, BitNest Loop, Saving Box, and BitNest Savings that can actually help you engage with more partnerships. BitNest also have an ecosystem for the next generation cryptocurrency. As you can see, its technical integrations are MetaMask, Token Pocket, Coinbase, AML Bot, and Chainlink. So if you're looking for a cryptocurrency app that is actually available worldwide, you can go ahead and choose BitNest because BitNest is a worldwide cryptocurrency that can make you earn more good.